a great choice today with the 2019 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, front wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, bucket seats, trip computer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.